JDZG Stock analysis. Is this the right time to buy? Going to answer all this in this very short 1-minute video. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors in 5 years trying to figure this skill out and finally seeing what's actually making me good money with 5-10K per month. Looking at JDZG, zooming out, I know it was bullish. It was great 10% case, right? But it's still inside of supply. This is what a lot of people just completely forget, the fact that this is still what's holding the price down. The only thing that I'll care further up from here is, you know, if I start seeing some more breaks down, again, like I always say, last thing that I'm going to do is randomly sell. So only if there's some sort of shift, I'm going to look to take it down further lower. Other than that, this is all pure noise. What happens, like Mr. Sicko, when is this going to be bullish? Maybe if I see breaks above 79 cents, just maybe. Other than that, all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.